Genetic programming is an application of genetic algorithms to evolve computer programs automatically. Genetic programming evolves computer programs automatically. In which situation genetic programming can be applicable? Genetic programming is especially useful in domains where exact form of solution is not known in advance. So, for such situations, we couldn't able to make a clear-cut programs at the starting. So, we have to start from a scratch. In that, initially some representations corresponding to the particular domain is created. Then we execute that representation or the program, then check for the correctness, then we modify the programs. For this program to evolving, we can apply genetic algorithms. Genetic programming starts with an initial population of randomly generated programs. After initialization, we got some representation corresponding to particular domain. Then we execute that programs, evaluated and genetically reproduced based on fitness. For reproducing programs, we can use genetic operators like crossover and mutation. An example we can discuss here, a plastic can collecting robot navigation. For that, we are given a matrix and a robot. Some cans are placed in some cells. Robot has to navigate to collect these scans. For that, the exact path or program for this particular task is not known in advance. For that, we are creating some initial scratch of representations. For genetic algorithms, the input has to be encoded in some format. For this particular genetic programming task, we can use syntax tree or tree encoding as an encoding techniques. Another form of representation mechanisms like graph or stack-based systems can be used. Generate a population of random trees. Evaluate fitness. Select programs with good fitness to create next generation programs. By understanding the requirements of robot navigation, we have initially set a control strategy like this. If east contains can and north equal to empty, then robot can move east, otherwise move south. This part of program element can be encoded as a tree form like this in genetic algorithm. Tree encoding is one of the encoding techniques in genetic algorithm. Tree encoding encodes program as nodes and branches. If east equal to can and north equal to empty, move east, else move south. Suppose robot in this situation. Now we have to apply this rule and to determine in which direction robot has to navigate. When we apply this rule, robot east location contains can and north location is empty. Then by applying this control strategy, robot can move east. It has performed the action and robot has moved to east location. In this particular robot navigation system, the exact program to perform navigation is not known initially. Then some random control strategies are generated. Then that strategies are executed and its performance is evaluated. Based on this performance evaluation, some best parents can be selected. From this random collection of initialization population, we can collect some best parents. Then we can go with crossover and mutation to perform on the selected parents to create new or modified control strategies. So what is crossover? Crossover is the process to combine features from both parents. That means this point can be considered as a crossover point. What happens now? The portion after this crossover point getting swapped between parents. So we get a new control strategy like this. Here if move is part getting replaced with this if else part, then we get a new prediction rule that may be better than the current parents in the population system. So by genetic programming, we can evolve programs from the random collection of programs.